Yo, what up, YouTube? What up? Back here with another video. So, today is going to be an unboxing video. I ordered a couple things. Only 2 out of 4 packages, I believe I have. Yeah, out of 4. So, I have 2 now. I'm going to show you guys what I got. There's going to be a part 2 on this video, so stay tuned. So, let's just get right up in it. Alright. So, first box. I waited 2.5 weeks for this. Almost 3 weeks. Yeah, it was a while. So first box, I had to go with my AM gauges. So let's check which one this is right here. I know they're pretty pricey, but I got them for a really good deal, brand new as well. So this is my boost gauge, as you guys can see. Boost gauge. Before in my last builds, I was running a stock Eclipse boost gauge, which it was really bright and it was cool and all, but I didn't really like it. So here's one of them. It's a boost gauge. So let's open another one and see what it is. This one is gonna be another gauge as well. Another gauge. This one I believe is, doesn't tell me. But let's just open. This one is the air fuel ratio gauge. Like I'm saying, I never ran AEM before, but hey man, I got them for a good deal. I couldn't pass up, so I took them. So let's see what it comes with. So face comes with all the hardware, cables, O2. I thought usually these break easily, but it looks like in good condition still. Oh, and you can run a white face as well. Look at this. I think I'm gonna end up running the white faces. I don't know if that one has a white face. I'll double check on that one. But if they both do, I'll run the white faces. And it just comes with instructions and a sticker. So that'll be it for this unboxing. I only had 2 boxes. I'm still waiting on about 2 more. It should be here by this week, hopefully. So I mean, like I said, there's gonna be a part 2 to this, so I'm just waiting for the other boxes to come in. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye. What up, guys? So my other package came in. It took a little bit longer than expected, but hey, it showed up. That's all I care about. But there was issues between FedEx and saying that it was leaking and damaged, and I called them, and I'm telling them, I was like, man, it's just a radiator, and that's all it is. But so let's get to it. I'll show you guys how it looks. This is a big old box from PLN, one of my sponsorships. So let's see what they put inside the box. So let's get to it. Alright, so showed you guys a little schematic of it. So let me go more into depth of it. So PLM is one of my main sponsors, as long as I have a total of 3 sponsors for my car. So I mean, I have PLM parts all over my car. I have their top mount, I have the seat brackets, I have the shifter. I basically, a lot of parts I have on my car are PLM. But looking at this, it's really good quality, better than I expected, to be honest. A lot of people don't know what PLM is, but it's more like I would say like a small brand, but a local brand. They are out of San Francisco, California. So it's really nice. The welds look good. They don't look cracked. But looks pretty good. So here's this. One more look. This is the tucked radiator. Boom. And then I got the dash 16s on each side, on this side actually. And then I went with the dual fan combo. I went with these. Pretty good. We're gonna open them, see what's up. So let me just test fit these out. Let me mount it up and then I'll show you guys right after, okay? So I got one fan on. It's pretty simple. PLM sends you these bolts that go around it. So it looks pretty nice, cleaned up. So let me go ahead and install this one. I'll get back right with you guys. All right, so this is the final look with them on. Pretty beefy. I like the way it looks. So running dual fan setup on this. So we'll get to installing them pretty soon. I just got I gotta test fit it. I'll make another video on it. I gotta test fit it, see how it looks. I might have to cut up the car a little bit in the front just because to make sure these brackets are on. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. All right guys, so I've been waiting for this one for about, I'm gonna say 2 months, 2.5 months, and it finally came in. So I couldn't wait to open it. As you guys see, I already opened it. So let's get to it. Let me show you guys what it is. So this is my back door intercooler from PLM. As you can see, looks pretty nice. It's pretty heavy too.